Greetings in a Rastafari name. Saying, no, first more, I just the man them when I agree with me. The man and woman them when I agree with me. Left out the bad word them, and probably certain threats and them thing there. When I comment because YouTube automatically delete them, I can't get free reply to them. See? And I would reply because my intent for share knowledge and have a discussion. I love it. And you can't have a full, having a boring to have a discussion with people who agree with you. It's like we all know, so it come like no make no sense we have a discussion. We don't know the rule and we just do what we are doing. You see? So I can't even see some of the things them want to say because through the whole heap of bad out them are probably what I don't know. But uno would love reply to mainly the people who disagree with me. See, I can show them a reason why I say certain things. But know in a lot of cases it might seem biased for a lot of different reasons and things like them thing there. See, and if you insult me, that necessarily means I'm gonna insult you back. Because that's another the intent. Believe me, it hurt me when they insult me. Anybody, come here, human. But in that case here, given not the intent of the channel, but the medium, the integrity of them platform here, and the integrity of the craft, I have to be prepared. I already prepared myself for tolerance and reasoning. When I say I have to not even though you not accept it, but be prepared for face certain things and deal with it the way how as recommended by the craft. See? Yeah, so I'm not gonna quarrel with you and insult on the back like that. See? So keep the bad word to a minimum or whatever I want to do make YouTube block them. But when I don't make certain comment, we can see the beginning of the argument. But soon as I press on it, it said comment no longer exists. Some can only think say that. Seeing? The reason why I not address Vybes Kartel is because see the principle when me grow with them, as you know, the most of the video that we establish. The principle of glory that me can understand where I come from when suspect are suspect bias. But me I gonna explain really and truly. See, gangster principle then, put it that way there. It's not adoring or acceptable entirely principle. Saying when I perpetrate that or push that to the youth them. Because rebel without a cause is what gangster and them thing there. But rebel principle is no, it's not fair kick a man when he's down. Like that then. Seeing in a them situation there. Because all the way a challenge against the same system we have them man they down, regardless of the crime what them do. And if we can't be too edged with a decision would be biased now, because if we are up against the political administrations and the justice system that support them and make them be the way they are, because the justice system was meant to be independent of the political party. So the justice system is supposed to see certain corruption and supposed to have certain boy under observation. The justice system is supposed to observe the economy and how the country perform to and all them type of thing there. See, and where it is lacking, the justice system is supposed to be able to confront the politicians or the politician who administrate that area their things and make him answer to certain questions. Understand? But them you never hear nothing about them in regards to that. However, the way them try to make themselves look relevant is to use ghetto youth as an example. See, the higher the profile, the better it for them because of them. I saw, you understand what I say? I just saw alone them look like them I do something because rich man or big people, certain type of people that get conviction or criminalized. And not just poor people alone the crime, brothers and sisters. No, and not poor people alone the crime. Most of the major crime them were perpetrated by rich people. A lot of the crime them were poor people who was orchestrated, organized, and influenced by rich people. But the crime just stopped with the poor man where sometimes at the trigger man. You know, see it? Anyway, I could leave that there, sir. See? So the justice system is culpable to, in my eyes. We have to approach and address them things that we can't just put on a band-aid on a cutlass wound. You know, see, you have to stitch that up intricate way. And you know what I say? Yeah. Seeing we have to address every little area at the establishment because the country for being at the station where it is today. Seeing the justice system is lacking and we have to point out areas whereby them falter to. Now, when me talk certain things in regards to Vybes Kartel, basically to the struggle where I go through, it's like, so well then, I use him as a reference as well. His case, being high profile as it is now, would be able to generate certain attention to certain low profile cases as well when I get them level of attention the way you can't afford them type of thing there. You understand what I say? So by him challenging it on him own and me now as a ghetto youth, I use for him case for highlight and point out them thing there too. You know, it might draw some attention, not just extra attention. You understand what I say? It's not particularly about Vybes Kartel. When you hear me talk about Vybes Kartel, see, Vybes Kartel have a whole heap of skeleton in them closet, obviously like all the way. See? But to be fair, him actually don't get convicted already. See? And that struggle him a fight now. See, so in any case, him get sentenced for what him do. Me and him are the system now. It's not whether him do it yes or no, it's how the system perpetuate them method of justice or crime fighting. You get what I say? It biased, two-sided, and it's not acceptable in my eyes at least. See? So as a high-profile man, music point out that enough things to be criticized about him, but we can't kick him when him down. I just saw it go. You get what I say? Me kick Mavado not down. See? Mavado out there, he might do him things same way. Not criticizing music as such, but some of action them and them attitude and say, yo, go sing good music. And that literally means that the one them must sing not good. See? Go sing good music. Continue to do good music. Everybody want to do that. Every artist want to do that. You know, see? A goal me say for most of the duration of the two of them, Vybes Kartel and Mavado. Matter of fact, the two of them used to sit down on my corner, Oliver Road. And I need the big mango tree, go ask them. At Deso, them bus from. At Deso, at them first recognized garrison then across Kingston where accept them before them even bus. Because a Bunty spot, a Bunty corner. You know, see, me talk about Bunty killer and explain certain things went unchallenged. Me no hear nobody come up and say, I lie, I tell pan Bunty. You know, see, so obviously this is true too. See? There is history with Mavado and Vybes Kartel and my corner at Oliver Road, right? That's so. See? The man, them have personal history. And you know, see it. So it's not a jump up thing or a try look. No farmer, whatever. I don't know, some people see it. This is a social justice channel. This is about social development, social enhancement for people. Not, yes, Jamaican to begin with, see, but hopefully benefit black people. To be fair, I can't go trivialize the channel or trivialize my argument them with dancehall music and dancehall competition and them thing there. Them thing they are jester them there in the palace. Them people they are jester. You know, see, this are politics. See? This is about the state of our affairs. Yes, they've got a lot of influence and bearing upon society. Both of them. See? Them got a lot of responsibility for the state how the society is in today. Both of them. See? But also, if you observe the channel, me not to kill the youth or bring down the youth, even shatter them out the way I walk and I kill people. You understand? Because me know there are outside influences who invest heavily in the advancement of them atmosphere there. You know, see, particularly the music industry. See? However, the skills, the craft, the talent is something where if we could get it, if we could convert them talent there in a positive way then in regards to the people. See how Mavado connect with ghetto youth with them tune them, how him soulfully portray certain reality. You know, see, soulfully. See? Same Vybes Kartel. How, not even same Vybes Kartel, more so Vybes Kartel. How Vybes Kartel accurately outline in a literature and turn it in a song the reality of certain things, or influence certain things through psychological means and catchphrase and triggering certain certain chemicals in the youth them brain. See, him know where I do. See, him know where I do. Him couldn't do it if him never know where I do and not buck up so much time. See, now if we could have harnessed them energy there amongst us, these energies that were wrongly informed, wrongly influenced. See, like me I said, we can't condemn the youth, them our future. You see, I condemn the actions of my father and my father. No man can't tell me what can happen in a ghetto from what can happen in a ghetto. Me make ghetto. Me maintain. Me live a ghetto. My ghetto and me. You see, that ghetto me left from and I like me left the ghetto gone away. And then come a foreign. I straight out of the ghetto me left from come abroad. You see, me not about me ghetto and nobody I feel like say me abandon it and nobody no know me and me no know nobody in there. When I go back to Jamaica, I sit down on my corner till 2 o'clock at night time, me alone. Everybody gone at them bed. You see? Same like back in the day when I dead, I have no youth, no threat, no youth, no have no problem with me. I have no problem with no youth either. Because basically it's something just like how this is not a fake. Yeah. You see? See? Some of them mood mind, some of them start sing the right song, do the right, see, some, it like, even though more openly condemn the things them what them do, or even though more openly condemn the things them what do, what them do, and that more one. Mood mind me never like if I give them review and sing good praise and things like that and look fame after that. Mood try, wouldn't try to look. They're nothing. Me not say nothing too much. Every man, more man out they can do that. You know see it. This is not about them. You know see it. This is about social change and development. And we share knowledge and teach each other. Come to a consensus. How really happened to what the problem really is with us as black people, with us as Jamaican. You know see, because entertainer are our enemy. Not even the government them are our enemy. Because you know why them know everything what me know and more. And continue to do what them do purposely. You understand? Which are something what me know. So them make themselves in like them create enemy out of the people them. You know see with them actions. Because government change time after time. I mean the individual them change time after time. See? Yeah. So we try to educate the people and try to get them to a certain degree of understanding and think to a certain like me I say think outside of the box or move the box. Not inside or outside of the box. The box not there. We are think clear, nothing in our way. You know, see. And I'm not fan for your business, man. I would be an insult to everybody else to try to be biased. You know, see. So, I can't get to explain myself to you, or make we have a discussion. I want to point out bias. Because I'm not a confidence issue. You do what I do. You see. So, yeah. So, keep it civil, man, and stop. Don't be like that. Don't feel like, even if you can't read and write good, see, don't feel insulted or embarrassed, man. And me not going to be the one for comment like that. Enough things, me never know if I like them, because two of them put it together, I can't understand it. I'm still not work it out yet. But me not disrespect it or use that as a, you know, see, them think they are not Jamaican issue, them think they are not black people fault. Education and them think they are not black, so I don't use them thing, I don't pay them thing, they don't mind. See, sometimes I read and I'll go in on my own self and work them out and reply to it. I like it. You know, see, because I'm not going to insult myself if I'm going to insult me and I don't know and I like it. You know, see, but no disrespect, same way. You know, see, because again, like me I say, no matter how low they attempt in, yo, we as Jamaican know how to bring across our suspicion, our disagreement, or whatever. You know, see, we know how to articulate it, regardless of the standard. Because me say, people only intelligent according to the man with more intelligent standard, according to the standard that a man that put him. You know, see, so a man will criticize my intelligence. I've wholly a man up there for criticize for intelligent, and a man up there for criticize the man. and it not stop when, you know, see, so me not make certain things be a bother. As the spirit of humanity me a deal with, that me I try to communicate with. You know, see, with feelings, we're supposed to have a certain level of expectation and natural sense. We start resurrect with natural sense of humanity, natural sense of morality. See? But nobody have to write down on the paper or enforce to we. You know, see, this is what it is about, brothers and sisters. You know, see, I don't claim to be perfect and know everything all right. But just give my perspective. You know, see. Yeah, man. Me I aim for learn from the item too. You know, see. So, cuss, yeah, criticize. You know, see, you can't say, as long as, but when you don't say certain things, obviously, the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm, the computer, automatically skim through certain things, and when it buck up on certain things, it just delete it. You know, see, so, yeah. You know, see, keep it civil, man, and make we have a discussion. Don't be, you know, see, they all when you know say you're wrong, yeah, make we chase and go on yourself, but, you know, like me I say, keep on there. You know, see, respect, share, like, and subscribe. More bless. Rastafari.